Every intelligent robot dog begins with carefully selected materials engineered for strength, speed, and precision. Every component is carefully inspected and organized before precision manufacturing begins. Every component is meticulously cleaned and inspected to ensure maximum precision and reliability before assembly. Advanced precision manufacturing transforms raw components into the powerful mechanical foundation of an intelligent robot dog. Next stage, final assembly.
With its intelligent hardware installed, the robot dog gains the ability to see, hear, think, and respond to its surroundings.
Piece by piece, precision engineering transforms a mechanical chassis into a powerful and agile robotic companion. Proceed to testing area. Calibration complete. Excellent. Proceed to the quality testing arena.
Every robot dog undergoes rigorous testing to ensure exceptional intelligence, speed, balance, and reliability before entering the real world. Approval, moving to finishing.
After the final finishing touches, every robot dog is carefully protected and packaged for its journey to customers around the world.
From advanced engineering to global delivery, every robot dog begins its journey ready to assist, protect, and innovate around the world.